Experiencing problems with your Xumo Stream Box remote? You're not alone. About 15 to 20% of users face remote-related problems within the first year. Let's pinpoint the cause by examining three main areas. First, check the batteries. This is the most common cause of remote problems. Standard alkaline batteries typically last 3 to 6 months with regular use. Next, consider infrared signal interference. Xumo remotes primarily use IR technology, which requires a clear line of sight between the remote and the device. Obstacles, LED lights, fluorescent bulbs, and even sunlight can disrupt the signal. Finally, Wi-Fi connectivity could be the culprit. Network congestion, router compatibility issues, or weak signal strength can all cause remote unresponsiveness. Make sure your internet speed is at least 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. By systematically checking these three areas, batteries, infrared signal, and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can identify the root cause of most Xumo remote issues. Once you've diagnosed the problem, you'll be ready to apply the appropriate solution. The first and most common solution is battery troubleshooting. Start by replacing the batteries with fresh ones, ensuring you install them with correct polarity. If you notice corrosion in the battery compartment, clean it carefully with a cotton swab or dry cloth. This brown or white buildup can prevent proper electrical contact. Next, optimize the infrared signal. Remove any obstacles between the remote and Xumo box. Eliminate interfering light sources and clean the remote's IR emitter. Test your remote's IR emitter using your smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. You should see a light on your phone screen if the IR emitter is working properly. For Wi-Fi related issues, first verify your Xumo box's internet connection and test your internet speed. You need at least 10 megabits per second for responsive remote operation. For advanced Wi-Fi solutions, consider updating your router's firmware to the latest version. This can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. Switch to the 5 GHz band if available, as it's less congested than the 2.4 GHz band. This can significantly improve your remote's responsiveness. As a last resort, try repairing your remote with the Xumo box or performing a factory reset. These advanced solutions can resolve persistent connectivity issues. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps should resolve most Xumo remote issues. Start with the simple battery replacement and work your way through each solution until your remote is working properly again.